Do you guys know what sexting is?
Yeah, I heard of that. Sexting for sure.
Sexting. That's exchanging naked or semi-naked photos of themselves.
She won't send naked pictures unless I send a dick picture.
Send her a pic of your...
The main thing to consider when taking a dick pic is, what do I want my penis to say?
GQ time, GQ time, everybody time to get GQ time.
One, no balls. Two, no mass texting. And three, never show your face.
This phone's it's Vanessa's actually. She just got a text from you. That's kind of weird. Forward to, select all contacts, and send.
It's his. Right here.
Oh, no. That's desperate and sad. Yeah, very Farvish.
Brett Favre allegedly sending photos of his member to sideline reporter Jen Sturger. When is it appropriate for a man to text pictures of his junk to a woman?
Stop sending pictures of your penis.
Send her a photo of something that she really wants to see, like an adorable puppy or a delicious sandwich.
You ready?